Hello students, now we will see question number 3 of exercise 11.2 standard 7th maths. Let us start. Question number 3 is find the missing values. So in this question, missing values we have to find out. As you can see the table, this is the first question. Base is given and area is given, area of parallelogram. So this is all area of parallelogram is given to us, and somewhere base is given and somewhere height is given. So whichever part is not given, that we have to find out. So in first one, base is given 20 centimeter, height is not given, we have to find out, and area of parallelogram is given 246 centimeter square. So with the help of base and area, with the help of these two, we have to find out what will be the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so we have already seen the formula for area of parallelogram. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम का फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी हमने लास्ट वीडियो में वी हैव सीन हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट. So again we are going to use that and we are going to find height. Okay. Similarly in second question, base is not given and height and area is given. So out of base and height, any of one value is not given to us and we have to find out the missing values. Let us see the solution part of this. So this is the solution part of first one. Okay, so we will apply the formula and we will solve all the sums like this one by one. Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. So area of parallelogram equal to base into height. So area is given A equal to B into H, base into height. Now area is given, ये value हमको दी है area. So this side we will keep its value. Area की value हम यहाँ रखेंगे and here out of base and height, okay, base is given, so we will keep base value and height we will keep it as it is, and just like equation we will solve it. Okay, this is in multiplication, so we will take it here and we will do division. So first one will be area equal to base into height. This is the formula for area of parallelogram. Now area is 246, so 246 equal to base is given in first one, base is 20, so 20 into height. Height is not given, so that we will keep as it is into h. ये h हम इसको as it is put up करेंगे. We will not keep here any value, we are finding this. Now in next step, this 20 which is in multiplication, we will take it here in the denominator and we will divide it. Applying equation rules, we have done equation chapter, we have seen. So multiplication में जो भी दिया है that we will shift to RHS part. So we will do the reciprocal. अगर multiply दिया है तो हमको divide करना है, और अगर divide में दिया है तो हम क्या करेंगे, multiply. So we are applying equation rules. So ये 20 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और हम cancellations करेंगे. So this side only h is remaining, that is height. So h equal to 246 upon 20. Now we will do cancellation. So both cancellation is possible with the table of 2. So here we will cancel with the table of 2. So 123 we will get, and here 2 tens is 20. So 10 we will get. So 123 upon 10. Now 10 is there, so we can keep decimal point after one digit from back side. Okay, पीछे से एक digit के बाद point रख देंगे and that will be our answer. And we are finding height, so unit will be only centimeter. Don't write centimeter square. Okay, that we do when we are finding area. In this area is already given, so we are finding height, so only centimeter will come. So final answer will be 123 upon 10 and then 12.3 centimeter. Now we will see second part, that is B1. Again same way we will do area of parallelogram, base into height. Area is given 154.5, base into height. Now height is given to us and base is not given. Okay, so base और height दोनों में से कोई भी एक वैल्यू आपको दी होगी. Method is same, आपको डिवाइड ही करना है. So into 15 is given, again 15 we will take it here and we will divide it. So 154.5 upon 15 this way. Now we have decimal point here, so that decimal point we will remove it to make the calculation part easy. So this point is after one digit, so नीचे 10 आ जाएगा. Okay, so 154.5, so point we are removing. नीचे already 15 था, यहाँ पे जो point था वो हम remove करेंगे, तो उसकी जगह पे नीचे आ जाएगा 10, because point is after one digit, so 10 means 10 will come here in the denominator. We will write 10. Now we will do cancellation. Okay, so you can start with the table of 5 or you can start with the table of 3 also. 3 के टेबल से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं और 5 के टेबल से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So we will start with the table of 5. So 5 3s are 15 and here 5 3s are 15. Now 45, we are taking two digits together, so we have to keep here 0. Okay, and then we have to take 5 9s are 45. So 309. Now we will take the table of 3. So 3 1s are here, 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros are and 3 3s are 9. So 103 upon 10. After cancellation you will get this. Okay, so cancellations reduce form, do carefully. So your final answer will be 10.3 centimeter. So this is the solution part of B. Now let us see the next question, C part. Again, base is not given. Okay, height is given 8.4 and area is given 48.72. Okay, now we will see the solution part of C and D. So moving ahead with the solution part of C. Again, area of parallelogram, base into height, area is given. So whatever is given, जो भी दिया है उसकी वैल्यू हम पुट अप कर देंगे. 48.72. Base is not given, height is given 8.4. Now again we will write it in fraction, so it will be 4872 upon 84. Now here also you can remove decimal point. Okay, so whenever you will remove decimal point, ऊपर भी decimal है और नीचे भी decimal है. So what will happen, इसका जो decimal point आप remove करोगे तो उसका 100 नीचे लिखेंगे और इसका आप decimal point remove करोगे तो उसका जो भी आएगा 10 आएगा. ओके, सो वो हम ऊपर लिखेंगे. सो यू नीड टू डू इट केयरफुली. सो 48.72 upon 8.4. So here point is after 2 digit, so 100 we have to write in the denominator, and here point is after 1 digit, so 1 digit means we have to take 10, but that 10 will go here with the numerator. Okay, so we will write 4872 into 10 and here 84 into 100. Now this 10 and this 10 will be cancelled. Okay, so what is left? 4872 upon 84 into 10. Okay, I hope you understood this part. So this will be left. Now again you will do cancellations. You can start with the table of 2, also you can start with the table of 4. So इसको हम cancellations करेंगे. Okay, so after cancellation, last what will be left is 58 upon 10. 58 upon 10 will be left after cancelling. So 58 upon 10 means 5.8 centimeter. This will be your answer. Okay, now this is the last question, D1. Again, area of parallelogram, base into height. Area is given 16.38 and base is given 15.6 into height. Again this 15.6 we have to take in the denominator. Again decimal is given in both the numbers, here also and here also. So same procedure, we have to remove the decimal point and we have to take 100 in place of this and 10 in place of this. So again 10 will be cancelled और नीचे आपका ये 10 बचेगा. Again after cancellations you have to do cancellation. Okay, both are even number, you can start with 2. Okay, or you can start with any other table in which it is coming. So आप कोई भी table से cancellation start कर सकते हो. Condition is that both should come in the same table. Okay, numerator and denominator, both whichever number you are taking. So after cancellation, your final number which will be left out is 273 upon 260. So ये आपका final बच जाएगा 273 upon 260. Now this you cannot cancel it. Okay, 273. If you see, this is coming in the table of 3, but this is not coming in the table of 3. So यहाँ पे cancellation possible नहीं है. So now you can do it by long division method. We have seen that also in the chapter of decimals. So इसको हम long division method से divide करेंगे. 273 we will write inside like this 273, and this side we will take 260. So 260 ones are 260. We will do subtraction. So here 7 minus 6 will be 1, 3. 13 will be left. We will put point. Okay, and then we will take 0. Then also 130 is less than 260. So again we have to keep one more 0 and we have to take here one more 0. यहाँ पे एक और 0 लेना है. So it will become 1300. Then you will take 5. Okay, so this way you need to divide it by long division method, and after dividing the answer will be 1.05 centimeter. So this will be your height. So this was question number 3 of exercise 11.2. Hope you understood.